This is the service elevator at the brand new Embassy Suites in LaVista, Nebraska. It's a KONE with KONE 600 features, also installed in 2008 as well. So here we go.
Get mommy in big trouble, and we won't be able to come back here again.
Here it is.
Going down.
Hurry up.
Going to one. And these are actually, this is a KONE 500 actually.
I don't want to get caught.
First floor.
Then can we go home afterwards?
No,
What are we gonna do now?
my place hotel.
Okay, come on.
Going up.
7.
Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. You're gonna get me into trouble.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I know. Oh. I'm scared now.
7th floor.
Okay.
You're a 7.
You're gonna get mommy in trouble. Come on,
Now
hurry
go
up.
right down
Going
to 2.
down.
Okay. Do you want to go to the other hotel next?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, hurry up, get cat view.
Okay.
It's a standard hospital size elevator.
5th floor.
Okay.
Oh,
Come
we're
on.
stopping at 5. Someone's getting on.
We're in trouble now. Sorry, we're
Going
he's
down.
Going down?
autistic.
What
I
floor?
apologize. 1.
Oh,
One.
1 actually.
Thank you.
I'm getting off at 2.
He loves elevators. I go, oh, we're gonna get in trouble now. We're gonna get kicked out because we're in the wrong
Actually,
place.
this hotel was built in 2008.
No, it only 7.
No. He said the year was in 2008.
Going down.
It was built.
What
in
floor?
Half years.
First, honey. Sorry, he's
Thanks
autistic.
already.
Yeah, he's autistic. Sorry.
Oh.
He loves elevators.
Oh,
We
You got your pad?
Second so he loves elevators.
Oh.
We went to every single elevator in Lincoln.
All right, let's. All right, you have a good day.
I apologize.
Thank
Say
you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. There it goes.
Hey, come on. They're being nice.
That's it.